Gnocchi is one of my favourite go-to really simple dishes. It's just a few ingredients and yet it seems to, I don't know, transform to something fantastic. So I'll show you how to do it. One going in there, straight into the flour. Some herbs, just gently mix that around. Don't overmix it, otherwise they get tough and we don't want that. We want tender little pillows. Gnocchi is an Italian dumpling, really. That's all it is. So that's why it's just, you know, flour, eggs, a couple of cheeses. Oh my God. It's the sort of thing that you often order in a restaurant, so you think it's really hard to make, but it's so simple. Knockout. Knockout. Knockout gnocchi.